Hello friends, welcome to Koni's Art. Today I'm going to show how to make a Christmas star. This design is from the design space and I have chosen that one. For that we need the Cricut mat and vinyl tool sets, then a A4 cardstock and the scoring stylus, and this is braille tool, and I picked 3 4 card stacks. You can choose any colors which you want the star to be in. I have chosen the red color. Now, once I open this project, you have to customize this one because the default size is something a bigger one, and I resized it to 8 inches since I'm using the A4 cardstock. If you are using a 12 cross 12 cross cardstock, you can use the bigger size. The star will be a little bigger. Mine will be some more the medium sized one. So after choosing the right size in the design space, click make it. Then now you can switch on the machine and connect the Cricut maker. Once it get prompted, it will take a few seconds for the first time connection. So after connecting that one, the first once you press the go, it will measure the size of the mat. Once it measured, it will first start with the scoring cut, then it will cut the required size which we have given. After the cut, I will show. Then it will prompt to choose the paper. So the paper I'm choosing is copy paper since my cardstock is little thinner. So according to the GSM, you have to choose the paper size, sorry, material, and the mat size is 12 cross 12. And once you give the material type, you have to choose the scoring stylus as well, because the default will be scoring wheel. Since we are using a scoring stylus, you have to edit that to scoring stylus. Then you have to give go. Okay, so this is what we have cut, and the tiny pieces of stars and all I removed manually since the paper was very thin. Once the cut is done, first fold along the scoring parts, then glue them. So two pieces of stars will be there. So I will show those two pieces. So these are the two pieces of stars. You have to glue on the middle corner of the top star and place it over on the bottom one. So it will give the clear structure of the final one. Hope you like the video. Thank you.